Now, let's talk about the 7 to 8 million range. And this is where the most premium 4-bedroom villas in Arabian Arches 3 start to appear. First up is Kaya 1 and Kaya 2 standalone villas. These were Emaar's very first standalone villa clusters in Arabian Arches 3, and they have become extremely popular, especially with families looking for a ready villa that offers space, privacy, and convenience. Right now, the current market price for 4-bedroom standalone villa in Kaya is around 7.5 to 7.6 million dirhams. And what makes Kaya villas special is because of the spacious layouts with built-up areas starting from around 4,000 square feet. Generous plot sizes starting from, let's say, 4,600 goes up to 7,000 square feet. Modern facade, rooftop terraces, perfect for entertaining and simply relaxing. And the location, close to the main entrance, Central Park, and all the key amenities. So Kaya is the ideal upgrade for families who want the villa lifestyle and they want it now without waiting for the handovers. And now, let's shift to something a little more exclusive. Branded luxury living. Alisa Villas. Alisa Villas in Arabian Arches 3 is one of the most high-end off-plan launches in Arabian Arches 3. And if you're lucky, you might still get a 4-bedroom villa here for around, let's say, 7.5 million dirhams. These Alisa branded villas are premium in every sense of the word. You have got signature interiors by Alisa himself, larger, more elegant layouts than standard villas, limited inventory and a curated and luxurious design approach, all set within a gated, upscale enclave of the community. But here is the catch. Resales are very rare. Most owners here are long-term end users who bought it for the lifestyle and exclusivity, not to flip. So what does it mean for the buyers and sellers? If you are a buyer in this price range, you are now choosing between two kinds of premium. Kaya Villas gives you the immediate handover and a proven lifestyle community, while Alisa Villas offers something branded, limited, and luxury. And if you are a seller in Kaya, especially if you have a corner edge unit, larger plot, or a park backing villa, you are in a strong position. This is one of the most in-demand villa zones in Arabian Arches 3. So in the range of 7 to 8 million bracket is where luxury meets lifestyle. Whether you want to move in today or hold on to something iconic that will only appreciate in value over time. And now we are entering the premium category, the 8 to 12 million range. And this is where inventory becomes ultra limited, but the quality of life and the long-term value goes up significantly. Let's start with Kaya Villas. There's been just one recorded transaction for a 5-bedroom standalone villa, and that was at around 9.6 million dirhams. But today, most owners are not even entertaining offers below 11 to 12 million dirhams. And it makes sense because there are only 17 of these 5 beds in the entire Kaya cluster, and they all enjoy prime locations within the cluster. And these are flagship homes in Arabian Arches 3. Oversized layouts, large plots, rooftop terraces, and the kind of privacy and the positioning that puts them at the top of the community. So after Kaya Villas, we have got Alisa 5-bedroom villas. You might be surprised that in the last 6 months, there has not been a single resale transaction of 5 bedrooms. And that tells us two things. First of all, sellers are holding tight. And secondly, there's a strong long-term confidence in both the product and the brand. So if you're lucky enough to come across a 5-bedroom Alisa unit, expect unmatched finishing, large internal layouts, and the level of exclusivity that comes with being in a gated, fully branded villa enclave. So what does it mean if you're a buyer in this price bracket? You're dealing with very limited inventory, confident sellers, and virtually no distressed deals. And that's a strong sign of long-term asset value. And if you're a seller, specifically in Kaya or Alisa Villas, your patience is probably paying off. There's barely anything similar on the market right now, and buyers in this segment are not bargain hunters. They are value seekers looking for the quality and the exclusivity. So, this range of 8 to 10 million dirhams is not just about space, it's about lifestyle, privacy, prime positioning, and the future value. These are legacy homes, and the owners holding them know it very well. So, there you have it. From 2.6 million dirhams townhouses to 12 million dirhams branded standalone villas, Arabian Arches 3 community truly offers something for every stage of life. and every kind of buyer or seller. If you are a first time buyer, there are still great options under 3 million dirhams, especially in off-plan clusters like Ania, Raya, and May clusters. With payment plans, is a smart way to step up into this community. And if you are an end user looking to upgrade something somewhere between, let's say, 4 million to 6 million dirhams, you'll find a solid mix of ready and offline homes with more space, better layouts, and improved privacy. And if you're aiming for something premium, whether it's for your family or a long-term investment, take a serious look at the villas in June, Daya, and Alisa. These are the crown jewels of Arabian Artistry, and they have proven their value time and time again. Now, for the sellers and landlords watching this, if you already own a property in Arabian Artistry, this is a great time to reassess your position. Why? Because demand is high, supply is limited in key clusters, capital values are rising, especially for single row, park facing, corner, and standalone villas. And if you are curious about what your unit is worth today, or thinking about selling, upgrading, renovating, or reinvesting into a newer phase, just drop me a message. I'll walk you through the latest transaction trends, real market performance, and what serious buyers are actually looking for right now. So, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. And if you are serious about buying, selling, or just exploring your next move, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help you make the right and informed decision. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.